Hi, my name is Kurt Gabus. I'm a director for our systems engineering team at Software AG for our North American manufacturing vertical. I'd like to spend just a couple of minutes talking to you today about how we're helping our customers realize significant benefits around process improvement and process automation, particularly improvements in quality, reduced times for ticketing, administrative costs, improvements in networking capital. I'll talk through these as I get into some of the specifics. If I first start in some of the foundational elements of our design, most organizations obviously have these legacy systems, systems of record, accounting systems, ERP systems that take care of the function of the business. An event network that allows us to distribute events and activities to the rest of the enterprise and to people and systems that are interested in knowing about it. And a delivery channel for sending those updates or delivering those through smart apps to our customers, our partners, our suppliers, based on a flexible microservices architecture. So as I get into the process now and speak a little bit about it, obviously the only way to get where one's going is to know where at least you start. So we look at that from our platform and take into account both angles of that conversation. So let's start with where are we now? Your systems of record house information about how you're doing process today. Our platform will allow you to mine that information, to look into those systems, those ERP systems and warehouses, to see how you're actually executing processes. Regardless of how the best laid plans of process have been rolled out in the documentation phase, often companies see that those processes have grown up organically and are doing things quite different than what you expected them or want them to be for optimal use of your business's resources. From a 2B state, process architects and business line owners are constantly looking at how to best deploy those resources and figure out the optimal way for how to do those processes within your organization, documenting those within systems and tooling. Software AG's platform gives you the ability to do both in one place and ultimately give you one portal where you can see your as-is state and your to-be state in one page and automatically compare the two to find out where something is not being done as you expect it to be or where KPIs are telling you that something's being done inefficiently or incorrectly. After we identify that process and we go through our phase of change management to affect how that process will be redone, we automate those processes with our real-time automation engine and govern the actions that our company will take on the actual execution of those processes, whether those be people actions, robotic process actions, or alerts that are delivered to the right people at the right time. That information is sent through and continuously updated to create a closed-loop, continuous process improvement machine. It's a platform one of its kind in the market today to be able to bring these two together from a complete enterprise perspective. As I mentioned, some of our customer benefits we've seen: 35% improvement in net working capital, a major global chemical manufacturer. High performance auto manufacturer increased their production line 500%, and through process discovery, automation, and continuous improvement, little impact to quality on that manufacturing. And all companies that engage with us see significant reduction in their administrative and ticketing times just by knowing how their resources are being deployed, where they're being deployed, and how best to use them. If you'd like to learn more about this, we'd love to come spend some time with you and show you a little bit about it. So please contact your Software AG local account executive or through softwareag.com. We'll come out and show you a little bit about it and show you a live demo of how our technology can help you improve your overall process capabilities. Thank you.